Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Oh no, Tom. Your desk is a disaster.
A disaster? No, it's modern art.
Modern art? Well, guess what? The dorm check is in 1 hour.
1 hour? Oh no, they will see my room.
Yes, your desk, your bedroom, your kitchen, everything.
Everything? That's too much.
Relax. Today, I will help you. We will clean your whole room.
My whole room? And in English?
Exactly. From your desk to your bathroom, we will clean and learn together.
How many phrases?
At least 25.
This is not homework. This is housework.
Yes, but it's also English work. 2 birds, 1 stone.
2 birds, 1 stone? What does that mean?
It means 1 action, 2 results. You clean your room and you learn English.
Oh, I like that. 2 birds, 1 stone.
Okay, Tom, let's start with your desk. First, wipe the desk.
Wipe the desk. With my hand?
No, with this cloth. Use circles. Start here in the middle.
In the middle. Circles. Okay.
Good. Now, dust the keyboard.
Dust the keyboard. You mean clean between the keys?
Exactly. Use the small brush. Move left to right.
Left to right. Oh, there's dust and crumbs.
Yes, no more cookies on the keyboard. Next, clean the screen.
Clean the screen with water?
No water, just a soft, dry cloth. Gently from top to bottom.
Top to bottom, like a window.
Yes, same idea. Now, organize the cables.
Organize. You mean make them straight?
Yes, make them neat. Put these cables on the right side near the outlet.
Right side? Near the outlet. Okay. But too many wires.
Use this tie, wrap them together.
Like spaghetti, but no sauce.
Yes, neat spaghetti. After that, arrange the laptop and monitor.
Arrange. Put them in the center?
Correct. Monitor at the back, laptop in front. Leave some space for your notebook.
Okay, monitor back, laptop front, notebook space.
Next, put away the books.
Put away where?
On the shelf, right side. Heavy books at the bottom.
Heavy at the bottom, light at the top. Like building a tower.
Exactly. Then, throw away the papers.
Throw away all the papers?
Not all. Keep the notebook. Throw the loose papers into the bin next to your chair.
Into the bin next to my chair. Done.
Finally, set up the headphones.
On the desk?
No, on the stand, left side of the monitor.
Left side on the stand. Looks nice.
Great! Let's review. Today you learned Wipe the desk, dust the keyboard, clean the screen, organize the cables, arrange the laptop and monitor, put away the books, throw away the papers, and set up the headphones.
8 phrases and a clean desk. 2 birds, 1 stone.
Exactly. Tom, look at your bed. It's as messy as your desk.
It's modern art number 2.
No, it's modern chaos. Let's fix it. First, make the bed.
Make the bed. Just pull the blanket?
Pull the blanket and make it smooth from top to bottom.
Okay, smooth from top to bottom. Looks better.
Good. Now, change the sheets.
Change the sheets? Every day?
No, once a week is fine. Take off the old sheet, put on a clean one.
Old one off, new one on. Got it.
Next, fluff the pillow.
Fluff the pillow. You mean hit it?
Not hit, just shake and press it so it feels soft.
Shake, press. Okay, soft pillow.
Now, set up the LED lights.
Ooh, my favorite. How do I say it?
Set up LED lights. Put them around the wall, near the bed.
Set up LED lights. This makes my room cool.
Yes, cool and bright. Finally, water the plants.
Water the plants. But I only have one small cactus.
Then give it one small sip of water.
Okay, a little water. My cactus is happy.
Great! In the bedroom, you learned make the bed, change the sheets, fluff the pillow, set up LED lights, and water the plants.
5 phrases and a bed that looks like a hotel.
Hotel? Maybe a student hotel. Tom, look at the living room. Clothes on the sofa, snacks on the table, dust everywhere.
It's modern art number 3.
No, it's modern mess number 3. Let's fix it. First, fold the clothes.
Fold the clothes. Like this?
No, smooth it first, then fold. Put them on the sofa, left side.
Okay, smooth and fold. Left side.
Next, vacuum the carpet.
Vacuum the carpet with this big machine?
Yes, move it slowly, forward and back.
Forward and back. Wow, it's loud.
Yes, but it works. Now, dust the shelves.
Dust the shelves? You mean wipe off the gray stuff?
Exactly. Use this cloth, top shelf first.
Top to bottom, right?
Correct. Always top to bottom. After that, clean the table.
Clean the table just with water?
No, a damp cloth. Look, wipe in circles.
Circles. Got it. Bye-bye, cookie crumbs.
Finally, organize the game console.
My favorite part.
Put the console in the middle, controllers on the stand, games in the box.
Console in the middle, controllers here, games there. Looks perfect.
Great! In the living room, you learned fold the clothes, vacuum the carpet, dust the shelves, clean the table, and organize the game console.
5 phrases and a room ready for a party.
Or ready for the dorm check. Tom, welcome to your kitchen. Oh no, the sink is full.
It's modern art number 4.
No, it's modern soup. Let's fix it. First, wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes with hot water?
Yes, hot water and soap. Wash the plates and cups.
Okay. Soap, water, wash. Clean now.
Good. Now, wipe the counter.
Wipe the counter? You mean the top?
Yes, the surface. Use a cloth. Move left to right.
Left to right. The counter is shiny.
Next, dry the plates.
Dry the plates with paper?
No, with a towel. Place them in the rack.
Towel? Rack. Okay, no water drops.
Now, throw away snack wrappers.
So many.
Yes, into the bin, next to the fridge.
Snack wrappers into the bin. Done.
Finally, refill the fridge with drinks.
Refill the fridge with soda?
With water, juice, and maybe one soda.
Okay, water, juice, 1 soda. Balanced life.
Great. In the kitchen, you learned wash the dishes, wipe the counter, dry the plates, throw away snack wrappers, and refill the fridge with drinks.
5 phrases? And now the kitchen looks new.
Ready for the dorm check. Tom, now the bathroom.
The hardest room.
Yes, but also the most important. First, scrub the sink.
Scrub the sink. You mean clean with force?
Exactly. Use this brush up and down around the edges.
Up, down, edges. Okay, the sink is white again.
Good. Now, clean the mirror.
With soap?
No, with glass spray. Spray and wipe in circles.
Circles, circles. Wow, I can see my face now.
Yes, handsome and clean. Next, mop the floor.
Mop the floor with water only?
Water and cleaner. Push the mop from the door to the shower.
Door to shower. This is like exercise.
Yes, bathroom gym. After that, replace the towels.
Replace. Put new ones?
Yes, new towel on the rack.
Old one in the basket. New one on the rack. Easy.
Great. Finally, tidy up the bottles.
Bottles? You mean shampoo and soap?
Exactly. Put them together, left side of the sink.
Left side. All bottles stand straight. Looks better.
Great. In the bathroom, you learned scrub the sink, clean the mirror, mop the floor, replace the towels, and tidy up the bottles.
5 phrases, and the bathroom is ready for the dorm track.
Almost done. One more room to go. Tom, we're almost done. Just the entrance.
The last stop. Finally.
Yes. First, take out the trash.
Take out the trash? To the big bin outside?
Exactly. Tie the bag, carry it out.
Okay. Heavy, but okay.
Good. Now, shake the rug.
Shake the rug? Like dancing?
No, take it outside, hold both sides, and shake.
Okay. Shake. Dust everywhere.
Yes, but now it's clean. Finally, put away the shoes.
Put away? Where?
On the shoe rack near the door, neat and straight.
Okay. All shoes on the rack. Looks nice.
Great! At the entrance, you learned take out the trash, shake the rug, and put away the shoes.
3 more phrases. And now the whole dorm is clean.
Clean dorm, better English. 2 birds, 1 stone.
Yes, 2 birds, 1 stone. I love this.
Tom, we did it! Your dorm is clean.
And I learned so many new phrases.
Let's review together. Desk. Wipe the desk. Dust the keyboard. Clean the screen.
Organize the cables, arrange the laptop, put away the books, throw away the papers, set up the headphones.
Bedroom. Make the bed. Change the sheets. Fluff the pillow.
Set up LED lights, water the plants.
Living room. Fold the clothes. Vacuum the carpet. Dust the shelves.
Clean the table, organize the game console.
Kitchen. Wash the dishes. Wipe the counter. Dry the plates.
Throw away snack wrappers, refill the fridge.
Bathroom. Scrub the sink. Clean the mirror. Mop the floor.
Replace the towels, tidy up the bottles.
Entrance. Take out the trash. Shake the rug.
And put away the shoes.
Perfect! That's almost 30 phrases.
A clean dorm, better English.
2 birds, 1 stone. See you next time.
Bye.